Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to activate Smart Pass on Emirates NBD X digital banking. For activate Smart Pass, if you have migrated from the old app to ENBDX, first log in with your username and password. A banner will appear to activate Smart Pass. Tap Activate Now. Review the terms and conditions and slide to confirm. Verify your registered email address and enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Then enter and confirm your new Smart Pass PIN and tap Next. Your Smart Pass will activate it instantly. And through Profile and Settings. For that, log in into mobile banking. Tap this icon on the top left corner of the app. Tap Security and under Smart Pass, tap Set a new PIN. Set and confirm your new Smart Pass PIN. Verify your registered email address and enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Your Smart Pass will be activated instantly. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.